Okay, so this is a job that's been sitting for a long time, September 20 in fact, and I've been keeping this with spare parts, and I'm thinking maybe I can repair it. I got a little bit of time at the moment. There's a video of this online already. It's a four-hour video. I watched it briefly, and what a shitty job I had done back then. It's for a Spin 5 SP513 series. So we haven't had any screen requests or anything like that yet. So still waiting for spare parts to be given to somebody maybe. Anyway, so I'm gonna have a quick look at it today, see if I can get it up and running. Now we'll need a charger for Acer. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're just gonna use a broken charger connector to supply the 19 volts. Okay. Let's see what happens. Holy shish kebab. Okay, there's a short. Wow, massive smell, something burned. Probably a MOSFET. Okay, so there's a short on the main power rail. So it only took the power when power was increased. Okay, let's go. Okay. It's missing an audio controller, a 5X, a Richtech 5X chip. I think these MOSFETs here, it's getting hot. Let's have a look. Okay, it is getting hot. Yeah, definitely. Something there. Okay, you know what? We'll take the power out. So that's our most likely, that's a fuse. Let's have a look with the multimeter. It was a stupid, dumb idea to come in with the power supply like that. Well, that's obviously short at the ground. Okay, let's remove that. See where the short is. Okay, it's on this side. Okay, so let's not waste time. Let's go ahead and check the thermal camera, see what's getting hot. Alright, we're gonna bring down voltage. Okay. Okay, let's go up the voltage a little bit more. Okay. Just make sure that it's not a shiny object. Let's move it around. Okay. So nothing at all. Okay, something over there. Alright, so it's on the other side of the board. Most likely something here. I'm not sure what. Could be one of these MOSFETs. I'll just quickly run a wire. Okay, so something here is apparently getting hot. Let's find out. Okay, so it's a MOSFET, which is this one here. Let's have a look at that on the microscope. What's going on? Looks like I did work on that, as you can see under the microscope. Okay, probe, continuity mode. Let's see where the short is. Okay. Is that the gate of the MOSFET? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the gate is this leg here. Gate is fine. Source short, yeah, source to drain. Okay, so that connects there, I'm assuming. Okay. This coil was worked on too. Is it dead short to ground, that coil? Yes, okay. Let's take him out. Okay. Really short. That side. Let's inject power there. Let's remove our wire. Okay, one sec. Hello, SureCanDo speaking. Okay, let's continue. So just remove that wire, and we're gonna put the wire there. And let's inject power again. Let's see where it gets hot. Let's go ahead and go to thermal cam again. Okay, ground is not good. Let's fix the ground. That's better. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and inject power, and let's see what gets hot or what's happening. Okay, this time we're only gonna put 1 volt because this is a dangerous area. No point killing something. Okay, what do we get? Gee, okay. Saying that capacitor may be gone. Let's check. See if the short is still there. Continuity. Yeah, the short is there. Okay. Alright, we need to cool it down a little bit and then we can try again. And the capacitor that I just removed, see if that is shorted or not. We'll do it under the thermal cam. It's the wrong one. Yeah, he's dead, alright, okay. Let's see where the next short is, so definitely. Okay, still waiting a little bit more. Okay. Okay. Alright, that will do. Let's go ahead and re-inject power. Okay. Okay, the amp it's pulling is much lower now. Okay, is there a does it want more amp? No, it doesn't. Okay, it's one of those annoying ones. Okay, I don't want to go more than that amp, so I'm going to come in with the I don't want to go higher voltage, so I'm going to go in with the short killer so we can supply more amps at the same voltage or lower. That's the idea of the short killer. Okay, power on. Okay, we're gonna inject 0.9 volts. There we go. Nothing's happening. Okay, it's not giving any more. Okay, won't be long. Okay, I'm back. So we're not able to get a proper injection going. So what we can do in this case, let's see. So that's what's the resistance here. So there's nothing there. That part of the leg of the coil is fine. 004. So ground to ground directly, we get 0002, and to this leg, to the coil we get 004. So it's like a partial fault. So that's definitely ground. This is same as the cap, the coil. Okay, it's a tough one. What do I want to do? I want to so this coil is giving power, continuing along. Let's put that over here. Okay, what do we got now? Let's see if we can inject power now. No. Okay, what if I increase the voltage to 1 volt? No, it is not able to deliver. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead to 1.2 volts. Nothing. Okay, nothing. How about using the benchtop power supply? So something is pulling in 0.12. That's going to be hard to detect. Unless it's in the CPU area. which may as well be by the looks of it. 2 coils, maybe not. Okay, let's remove the CPU heatsink. Okay, now we got the CPU and the PCH showing, bringing the power. Okay, what's gonna be eating it? Let's see. It's very hard to tell. Take it off. Maybe it is right. It is on the top left side. Let's have a look on the other side of that side. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we found it. Which is okay, that's an interesting thing. Let's have a look on the thermal cam under the microscope. Which is that guy there. Yes, there's a burn on it. U4002. Bummer. Okay. Okay, removing that, see if the short is still there. Check for short using continuity. Wow. This is crazy. Looks like pretty much everything on this board is dead, you know. Probably fries it. Okay. Let's see if we can detect the new shorted area. We're in the area of beyond recovery now. Okay, too much time wasted. Okay. Let's go ahead and this time we'll use the bench top again. One volt. Go ahead. Either I don't have a good ground, or he doesn't think there's a short. Let me double check. Resistance to ground. Maybe it's not a short now. .30 ohms. So that's fine. That's not a short then. Okay. Alright. So let's have a look at that component there. S41Q, S41Q. Okay, let me see if I can find schematics for this board. It is drift underscore SKL 16801-1M. Okay, let's see what we get. Drift underscore drift. Okay, nothing. That's T490. Nope. Okay, let's try 448. No, it's not an Inspiron. Not an Inspiron. Not a Precision Tower. Not an MSI. Not a C600. No. Four four eight 0A615. Let's try 0A615. No, nothing. How about, so this is a Acer spin SP5. How about spin? We've got S13 board view. Okay. So the chip we took out is from a region bottom left of eSuper IO. Okay, so I'll share the screen with you. Okay. See if it's a similar board in a way. Yes, okay. So we need to look on the other side. View bottom, and we're looking at somewhere there. Okay, that's it. That's the one we're looking at. If I remember, some of them are joined, yeah, just like we saw on the bottom of the board. U4002, is that what I had here? Yeah, correct, okay. So I need this guy, U4002, any part information? Nah. U4002. before we even think about replacing. One sec. Okay, let's go back. So we do know what chip it is. Oh yeah, I was going to check the pins. So there's no point replacing the chip. Well, there is a point. The chip is faulty. It's burnt now, but I don't know. I don't know if its legs are shorted or not. If it is, then there's no point in me replacing it. Okay, let's check its legs. And so what we're gonna do, okay, so we do know this chip one is not ground, so just check if any of them are short of the ground. We're in we need to look at in resistance mode. Okay, so let's have a look. Where was it? Here. So that will be 1, I'm assuming. Yeah, 1 to ground. Oh shit. So here is the problem. This is shorted to ground. It's the S5 power stage 1D0V S5. Okay, so that goes into that capacitor there, which I'm assuming they're both connected. Yep, and that is showing to be shorted. Yeah, that's a very low resistance. So in this case, there's no point replacing the chip. It's best to know why this is shorted, and that goes to U4004, which comes here, and that's its legs there, which goes there. It's jumpy behavior. Okay, there we go. It's definitely shorted. And where is that going? To these big caps, which is, so there's 2, and then there is, try and look at it the same way. Okay, maybe that guy's fried. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and find a point where I can inject power. Wow, okay, where is this guy going to? Have a look on the other side. Ah shit, okay. You see that CPU? This is gone. Okay. So there's gonna be no point, but I'll still, anyway, just for the sake of the video, I will inject power and let's watch the CPU burn. Okay. Let's see. Let's watch the CPU burn. Hopefully not. Maybe it's just a cap there. Who knows? But this doesn't look good at all. So let's see if any of these caps actually burn. If they do, great, but it will be very hard to tell. Okay, definitely we're going to come in with low voltage, 1 volt. It's going straight to CPU. Ground, let's get a good ground. Okay, there we go. Anything here? Where is the short? Hey, look at that. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, so this is the final coffin in this laptop. So this is going for spare parts. And this board has a lot of goodies we can use. And what else? Take a photo. Okay. All right. Should have done this a long time ago, prior, instead of wasting 4 hours like I did on the other one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.